I sure hope this
Fucking
restaurant has
bitch, tits, big ass, butt cheese.
That's my favorite.
Shit!
I like
Bitch, tits,
too. Really? I like
balls.
I like
Big ass.
I like
Cock.
me oh my. I like
Tit dirt.
I like
Dick in my booty.
but most of all I like
Big ass. Tits. Fucking bitch, 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 bitch. Tits.
3 times daily, pretty please.
Bitch, 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 bitch. Tits.
We love
Fucking big ass. Tits.
Squishes, delicious in every bite. It goes down so
Make that ass clap, make it snap. Talk to me now. Make that ass snap when I snap. Talk to me now. You is the baddest, booty the fattest. Let me hear you holler out. Ay, 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 ay.
oodles of noodles, cheese by the ton.
Big ass. Bitch. Tits.
Is number 1.
Bitch, bitch, bitch. Tits.
3 times daily, pretty please.
Bitch, 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 bitch. Tits.
Well, I had
Tit fucking you really hard.
Here are your
Big ass.
menus. Oh,
Fuck.
you. Let me see.
Oh no, hell no.
I don't see any
Fucking big ass bitch. Tits.
I'll
Fuck.
check the chef. Chef, dumb shit! Do we have
Fucking big ass bitch. Tits.
not today, but we have lots of other.
Shit. Fuck you.
I'm sorry,
Bitch.
but we don't have.
Fucking big ass bitch. Tits.
But the chef says
Strap on a dildo.
I'll try the tropical
Shit.
please. I've never had
Shit.
before. Would you like to try that too, baby?
Shit.
I don't know.
I'll have the
Big ass. Shit balls.
I bet you'd like that, baby.
Bitch.
Well,
I'd like a tit fuck.
I'll have
Ass.
slices with cheese, please. I know you
Fuck.
that, baby.
Bitch.
I just wish I could have.
Fucking big ass bitch. Tits.
Well, I know it might be hard to
Watch me whack off.
baby,
Bitch.
but you'll never know if you like something unless you
Fuck.
it.
Well, okay. Do you know what this is?
Huh? That's an excellent choice. It's
These nuts.
and
Pubic hair out of my ass.
brown bread.
Okay, I'm ready now.
What would you like?
May I please have the
Nuts.
Pubic hair
sandwich?
on my chest.
Very well.
Bitch. Fuck.
You. I've never tried brown
Nuts.
before.
Oh, it's fun to do things.
Would you like to
Fuck. Really hard.
give it a try? Don't hesitate.
Stroke my cock.
Give it a try, and when you're done, you might
Squirt all over me.